what you're looking at is a cobweb. So a cobweb is, according to what I read on the internet, it's a spider's web that has been abandoned. And gee, look, it comes. Look, it's even here, and that's where I sleep. So I just discovered this a few days ago. So spiders have been hanging out, 2 feet from where I'm sleeping. I remember I found that, like, I saw a spider like right up there, like a year ago. But that's the only real problem with bugs I've had. There was a spider up there. I don't know how it got there. Oh, this is like an air conditioning, an abandoned air conditioning duct. Like the air conditioner's out there now. Now it's out there. It used to be here, I guess. So they've closed it all off. But I guess bugs can get in. And there's a window here. So this is the only place I've found cobwebs. There's no other. It's just this corner. So I'm going to get rid of them. Let me. Okay, I'm going to turn on the vacuum cleaner. Vacuum it away. I want it to go on. Thank you for watching. Look, it's all gone.